छत्तीसगढ़ स्टेट बोर्ड क्लास 8 साइंस चैप्टर 3 एयर. Let's see exercise. Question number 1. Air is a mixture of gases. What are they? Air is a mixture of gases. They are nitrogen, oxygen, argon, water vapor, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide and other gases. Second, what is ozone layer? What it is importance? Ozone layer is found above the Earth's surface. Its distance about 16 to 23 kilometers. It is very important in our life. This layer blocks the harmful ultraviolet rays. Thus, the ozone layer helps in protecting us from skin cancer. Third, which are the gases which have the maximum percentage in the air? The gases which have the maximum percentage in the air: nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21%. Then after 1, explain the reaction which take place when potassium permanganate is heated. Reaction: when potassium permanganate is heated, potassium magnate and magnesium dioxide and oxygen gas are released. Third, what are the uses of oxygen in our daily life? Oxygen is very essential in our daily life. The main uses of oxygen is for respiration of plant and animal. Mountaineers, astronauts carry this with them in suitable cylinders. Asthma and heart patient and newborn babies in hospital having breathing problem are given oxygen mask. Mixture of oxygen and some other gases are burned to get a flame used to join metal object. 1. What are the main gases that pollute the air? Answer: the main gases that pollute the air are carbon dioxide, oxide of nitrogen, carbon dioxide. Third, name the gases responsible for greenhouse effect. The gases responsible for greenhouse effect are carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, methane, chlorofluorocarbon, ozone. 4. Which are the gases mostly present in acid rain? How do they affect our life? The gases mostly present in acid rain are sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, carbon dioxide, etc. Acid rain is very effectively in our lives. Acid rain pollutes water sources in such a way that many species of fishes are now becoming extinct. It is also harmful for human health. Plant leaves turn yellow and fall off because of it. Acid rain. It is corrodes building statue especially made of stone और marble. देखिए एसिड रेन जो है ह्यूमन के साथ साथ जो है यह स्टैच्यू, हाउस, बिल्डिंग जो स्टोन और मार्बल से बने होते हैं उनको भी खराब कर देता है. What do you understand by atmospheric pressure? Answer: when the pressure applied by the atmosphere around us is called atmospheric pressure. Example: when we move high above, the density of the air changes and due to it the atmospheric pressure also changes. As we go up in the air, the density decreases because of the atmospheric pressure. Second, what will happen the human body if the air pressure of an area suddenly decreases? Atmospheric pressure has much effect on our body. When or go to the high altitude, the atmospheric pressure decreases, due to which our blood vessels swell up or sometimes burst. जैसे हम लोग ऊंचाई में जाते हैं वैसे जो है एटमॉस्फेरिक डिक्रीज होने के कारण हमारे नाक से खून निकलना, क्योंकि ब्लड वेसल जो है वो फट जाते हैं जिससे जो है ब्लड जो है नाक से बाहर आती है. चूज द करेक्ट अल्टरनेटिव. विच गैस हैज द हाईएस्ट परसेंटेज इन एयर? नाइट्रोजन. Nitrogen is used in the storage of food item because it keeps the food fresh. Third, unit measure of atmospheric pressure is equal to the column of mercury pressure of answer 76 centimeter. Oxygen gas as compared to water is lighter. The cause of heating of our atmosphere is greenhouse effect. Fill in the blank. Oxygen gas help in burning of a nitrogen rich fertilizer. Ammonia is the main sources. The atmospheric pressure on atmospheric pressure swell on going upward from the earth's surface. Acid rain is due to sulfur oxide and nitrogen oxide gases. Oxygen is light in water. Third, the percentage of oxygen in air is 10%. False. The percentage of oxygen in air is 21%. On heating potassium permanganate, we get nitrogen gas. False. On heating potassium permanganate, we get oxygen gas. Sulfur dioxide when mixed with air pollutes it. True. The air pressure in the balloon is due to the air filled in it, starting the wall of the balloon. True. Because of the inertness of nitrogen gas, it is filled in the electric bulb. True. Match the following. Greenhouse effect, carbon dioxide, oxygen, respiration, nitrogen, keeping food item fresh, acid rain, nitric acid and sulfuric acid. 5. What are the components of air? Answer. The components of air are nitrogen, oxygen, argon, water vapor, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide and other gases and dust particles. Third, what are the causes of air pollution? What measures would you adopt to stop it? Let's see some main causes of air as follow. Vehicles, actually use of vehicles has increased day by day. Car, buses, truck, auto rickshaw run on petrol or diesel, which are fuel obtained from biological reaction. Because of the burning of this fuel, mostly due to incomplete combustion of these fuels, that's why release carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide and nitrogen and other other pollutants. Second, industrialization. The solid particles which are pollutes and coming out of the steel industry, cement factories, fertilizer industries that have harmful effect on not only human health but also living, vegetation, building, etc. Measures to adopt to stop it. तो यहाँ पर हम लोग को कुछ छोटे छोटे पॉइंट्स भी यहाँ पर नोट कर लेनी है, तो इस पीडीएफ में आ लेते हैं. जैसे देखिए, मेजर्स टू कंट्रोल एयर पॉल्यूटेंट्स, change the method of manufacture such that less quality of pollutants material is liberated. For energy production, less polluting method as solar energy and wind energy must be used for. Check the vehicle for air pollution measures. और देखिए बहुत सारे यहाँ पर से adopt habits which encourage in controlling pollution. Avoid smoking and encourage habit to avoid smoking. Use petrol and diesel according to your needed, and many things are there. And what are the main uses of nitrogen gas? The main uses of nitrogen gas are: nitrogen react with hydrogen to form ammonia. It is used to make many urea fertilizer. Nitrogen has a, यहाँ भी स्पेलिंग में से सही कर लेनी है, inert nature, so it is used in filling electric lamp to prevent oxidation of filament. Nitrogen is also used to keep stored food items fresh. Liquid nitrogen is used as cooling agent, and liquid nitrogen also used in preservation of organ and tissue. Which what is acid rain? How is it harmful for us? When sulfur oxide, nitrogen dioxide, carbon dioxide mix with rainwater and make it more acidic, this is the